Okay, so today we will discuss more about one more topic, which is common for all the modules actually. Transport request. Okay, okay. So generally for our whatever the configurations we are saving, it is getting saved in TR number. Okay. So whenever we are doing any changes, let's take an example. We have added this storage type, right? So this 03 first I want to put away in the 03, and after that I want to put away in my 20 warehouse storage type. Okay, first I want to change, like first it should put away in 30, and after that it should search in 20. Okay, so whenever we are saving any kind of changes, whenever we are doing any changes in the configurations, it will get saved in one request. We call it as a transport request or maybe the customizing request. We have two types of requests here. One is your customizing and one is your workbench. So workbench request is to modify the code generally. So this will be required for the coding purpose. Okay, so we will not discuss more about that. That ABAPer will require this workbench request. Okay, for the customizing we will need the customization request. Customization request. Okay, so whatever we are saving, that it is getting saved under this tier. Okay, if you want you can create your own tier as well. For example, here we have changed the put away strategy. Okay, so like this you can save your own tier as well. You can create your own tier as well, and the same tier you can assign to the multiple users as well. Okay, generally this tier, the number range of this tier, all these things basis team takes care of these things. Okay, now what is the purpose of this tier? So generally we have different servers basically. Okay, yeah, I will remove this workbench request. We have development server, then we have quality, then we have production. Correct. Sometimes we have the pre-production as well. Okay, so we are doing all the developments in this development client. Okay, we are doing all the changes in your development client. Okay, and in the development client we are saving all the changes in one tier. Okay, let's take an example of this tier. Okay, and we have one more id, right? Satish, can you see there are different tiers are linked with this id, because Manav is also using the same id, then Roshan is also using Sabia, everyone is using the same id. So that is the reason we have different tiers. So whatever the changes we are doing, all those changes are getting saved under this TR. So can you see this? Assign storage bin types to storage types, right? Define put away control indicator, then your HU type group. So all the configurations are saved under this TR. And here you can see the table name as well. Table name, and this is the entry. Okay. So normally what happens, so this will be your different client, this will be your different client. So normally what happens, we are just transferring this TR to, so this TR will be available in your development system. After that we have one option here. Okay, here we have one option to release the TR. Okay, we can release the task, otherwise you can directly release the TR as well. Okay, now it depends, generally if we are using the charm tool or anything, then in that case, via tool also we can release these TRs. Okay, now when we are moving this TR from development to quality, whatever the changes are inside this TR, all these changes, all this configuration will be available in your quality system, and after that you can do the testing in the quality system. Normally this development system is the golden client. This development system will call it as a golden client. We don't do any testing, we don't create any master data in the development client. This is only for the development purpose. Okay, after that this year we just move to the quality system. In the quality system we have the master data and we do all the testings: functional unit test, your user acceptance test, FUT, UAT. Okay, and if the testing is successful, if testing is failed, in that case we again need one more TR to do the changes. To do the changes we will have one more TR. Again that new TR we will move to quality system. Correct. Again that new TR we will move to the quality system. Correct. And after that, once all the changes are fine, then in that case we will move both the TRs in your production system, and all the changes, all the configuration will be available in your production system. Okay, so now generally how many TRs are required? Now it depends, you can do all the configurations in one single TR as well. The entire implementation you can do in one single TR as well, where that single TR will be assigned to the different users. Okay, you can assign the different users basically. Like let's say there is a team of 4 members, and same TR will be assigned to all 4 members. Okay, otherwise in some cases, to track the progress, or in like if we have the sprints kind of things, like we will have one TR for the inbound delivery, inbound process, whatever the inbound processes are there. Like we have the put away strategy, POSC, LOSC. Correct. So all those things for the inbound process we will require one TR. For the master data we can create one more TR. Correct. For the outbound we can create one more TR. So the process wise also we can do. Otherwise, if 4 different members are working on the master data, in that case we can have 4 different TRs for the master data as well. Okay, it's up to you uh, about the understanding in your team, and what is planned for that particular project. Based on that, you can manage how many TRs will be required. So normally what refers is, one specific TR will be there for the master data, one specific TR will be there for the inbound, outbound. Similarly, one more for your internal, one more for your advanced activities. Okay, and one more will be for your other activities. Okay, if you want, you can do all these things in one single TR as well. But generally, this is what the way we follow actually. Okay, any doubt in this?
You know,